this tract is easy to find. Just Google North Shelby Baptist Church, and the trailhead is about 300 yards in the back of this church. Easy to find. So we have plenty of parking up here. You're not going to have any problem parking your car. And there's a nice small pavilion, and there are two unisex bathrooms. One of them has a shower. So let's get on with the hike.
Blaney, how are those hands?
How are my hands?
Yeah, how are they?
A lot better.
Good. You get that epidural.
I just got this. I'm learning it.
It's a new GoPro.
Yeah.
All right.
Now, go.
Go?
Go.
The land was owned by EBSCO. One woman I walked with the last time I came works for EBSCO, and they would hike in from somewhere, or maybe ride in, and have company picnics over there. So she was very familiar with this area.
You
That's
gotta
all.
find that.
That's all?
So I'm going to
Well, come on. There's got to be something else.
Well, mine.
Do you know if this is a man-made? This
It
this
is. It's a
man-made.
dam. That's a dam.
So what's the trivia question?
No trivia.
I was just giving all the trivia about.
Trivia info.
And yeah, now.
There you go, folks. Trivia info.
They pulled up right as I did, and they were sweet, and they lived in their last name's Easterling, and they live in England.
You met them here?
Yeah.
There were a few flowers out along the trails. Pretty little colors, aren't they? I'm sure there'll be more flowers, as the spring turns to summer.
I can't see that.
Field would be that way. What is that straight ahead? See the tower thing right there? I think that's Red Mountain. And then behind it, it looks like the building in white. The round tower? Yeah.
There's gotta be a way to drive in.
Well, there's a way to drive in, but you're not allowed to.
Yeah.
That's two different things. Can you drive? Could you drive here? Yes. Are you allowed? No.